If you need to create a clean sequence of numbers inside a table in Microsoft Word, this quick method is going to save you a lot of time. Instead of typing every number manually, Word can automatically number the cells for you in just a few clicks. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step, so you can keep your tables organized, professional, and easy to read. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word tips. Let's get started. First, open your document in Microsoft Word and locate the table you want to work with. Now click and drag to select the cells in the table column that you want to number. Make sure you highlight only the cells you want included in the sequence, because Word will apply numbering to the selected area. If you only want one column numbered, select that column's cells from top to bottom. Once the cells are selected, go up to the Home tab at the top of Word. This is where you'll find the main formatting tools for your document, including font options, alignment, spacing, and paragraph tools. After that, look for the paragraph group on the ribbon. In that section, you'll see the numbering icon, which usually looks like a simple numbered list. Click the numbering icon, and Word will automatically add a number sequence to the selected table cells. Your selected cells should now display numbers in order, starting from 1 and continuing downward through the selection. This is the fastest way to generate a numbered list inside a table column without having to type anything manually. If the numbers don't appear exactly the way you want, you can always adjust the selection and try again. In most cases, Word will place the numbering neatly inside each cell, giving you a clean and consistent layout. This is especially useful for checklists, inventories, forms, reports, and any document where you need rows to be clearly numbered. One important tip is to make sure you are selecting the cells before applying numbering. If you click the numbering button without selecting the table cells first, Word may format text somewhere else in the document instead. So the key is simple. Select the cells, go to Home, and click Numbering in the paragraph group. And that's it. You now know how to get a sequence of numbers in a table in Microsoft Word in just a few seconds. It's a small trick, but it can make a big difference when you're building clean and professional documents. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Microsoft Word tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.